I read that the robotic surgery was the one that gave you the quickest recovery. And that's what I wanted, because I'm not one to sit around. I want to recover and get back out there on my own. Before I had my surgery, I had several years of hip pain. I woke myself up just turning over in bed because the pain was so severe. After my first surgery, I had no pain, and I'm thinking, okay, they've medicated me, so I'm not gonna have any pain. So I waited and I waited and I waited. I could not believe the fact that I had no pain. I mean, I was loving this. I come in for my 2-week checkup with Dr. Norwood. I come in on my own, no cane, nothing. I think he was just about ready to fall down in the floor. He was so excited.
The technology with joint replacements has not changed drastically with the implants we put in. It's changed quite a bit with how we've put the implants in. And that's where the Makoplasty robot comes in, is that we can put joint replacements in a less invasive way. It allows their muscles to recover sooner and allows them to get back to their activities.